What's that? It's a mansion. May mansion sa dagat. There's a house in the middle of the ocean. So,
Yeah, Mommy, what that for?
click it so we can see. So guys, walang pasok si King today.
The rock.
Yeah, let's watch. Hindi ko siya pinapasok guys kasi talaga kagabi wala kaming tulog dalawa. I know there's a house there. Kaya tinawagan ko na lang yung school kanina na King is not well. Ito ba yung hindi well? Sumasayaw. So basta guys, ano ko talaga kagabi wala kaming tulog. Siguro mga alas 4 na siya natulog kagabi. Iyak siya ng iyak. Ubo, sipon, may ano siya, may temperatura siya guys ba. So sabi ko, ay naku, kahit ako wala akong tulog. Sabi ko, baka hindi ito papasok bukas kasi grabe yung ano, yung hirap namin kagabi, yung dalawa.
The goo, Mommy.
Ha?
That's a goo.
The what?
That's a goo.
School?
Yeah.
No, it's a mountain.
No, that's a goo.
This is school.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. I think it's a house. Kasi nanood kami ng vlog ng ano sa ano, parang sa gitna ng ano ba,
Oh, yeah.
gitna yung bahay ng dagat.
That's a quick.
Yeah. Kaya nga guys, talagang ano, hindi siya, ano lang guys, ano lang to siya. Nag-inom lang to siya ng chocolate drink. Mabuti nga nainom siya kasi nilagyan ko ng gatas. Tapos siguro kalahating tinapay, ganun lang. Tapos juice lang siya, tubig. Tingnan niyo, madaldal. Iwan ko kung naintindihan niyo. Yeah, that's a house in the middle of the ocean, of the sea.
Look.
Yeah.
Oh, what the oval?
So you have to open it. Okay, click it so we can see what's inside of that video. Because I don't know what's inside of that really. So yeah, so sana bukas maging okay na siya mamayang gabi no para kung makatulog siya guys mamayang gabi at walang iyak na mangyari.
Mommy, that's a big one.
I know, big bat. So papasok siya bukas guys pag okay yung...
Mommy, that's a big one.
Yeah, big bat. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Kasi si Christian, tanong ng tanong. Okay. Yeah, try to click it. Natawa ako sa King, oy.
Okay.
Okay, just open it so you can see. Because mommy talking to the guys. Yeah. So, yun nga guys, relax na kami dito. Pero nakapaglaban na ako ngayon. Nagsampay na rin kami sa labas ni Christian. Pero I mean is, so sana mamayang gabi, didiretso yung tulog namin. Walang daming keme para at least makapasok na siya bukas sa school. Kasi sa Monday walang pasok. So, kapag hindi siya mapasok bukas, 4 days talaga siya nandito sa bahay. So, kasi Monday, walang holiday dito sa Monday. So, yun. So, ano, kasi yung ano niya guys ba, yung sipon niya, grabe yung sipon niya. Sa isang araw guys, maka-isang box siya ng ano ba, tissue. Po, sa pahid-pahid lang sa ano niya, sa ilong niya. Kaya talaga nagdadala kapag may sipon si Christian, nag-ano talaga kami, nagbili kami ng tissue tapos dalhin doon sa school. Kasi, para ano ba, mapahid niya yung sa ilong niya. Ganun. So, yeah. Yun nga. Ito guys, ipakita ko pala itong ano guys, itong ulo niya kahapon na pinaano. Ito. Ito yung ano, isugat. Oh, yan. Sugatan si Christian dyan, oh. Sa pag, ano, oh, yan, oh. Sugat ito. Nakita nyo guys. Sugat yan sa ano niya. Sa, pag ano ba, pagupit nung bagong, ano, barber. Kasi hindi talaga yung barber ni Christian guys. Kasi yung isa naka-off ata. So, kaya, parang ano ba, parang, hindi ako masaya talaga. Kaya, until na hindi pa na ako makabubun. Kasi, first time ko nakita na meron siyang gano'n, ano, may ahit siya dito na parang ang balat talaga is na,
That's the baby.
yeah, got many bats there. Yeah, so, ganun guys. And thank you guys sa pag-watch ng aming video. So far, ang oras dito is alas 12 pa lang guys, no? Hindi pa kami nag-lunch kasi nagising kami ng 10 o'clock. So, kailang 10 o'clock kasi natulog kami ng 4 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 5 hours lang yung tulog namin. Tapos, gising kami 10. Tapos, nag-breakfast. So, I think very early for lunch. Magla-lunch siguro kami mga alas 3:30. Ay, no, mga 1:30 pala, alas 2.
Look at that.
I know, what's that? It's anaconda.
Oh, no, wait, that's a shake. What that shake?
I don't know. Say hi, tita.
Mommy, what that snake?
Snake.
Yes,
Snake.
that's a big one.
Big snake daw. Snake. Pitla man ka, King.
Mommy, I saw the snake.
I think it's anaconda.
No, that's a snake.
It's not a snake.
Yeah.
What's that then? Fish. It's a big fish.
No, that's a snake.
It's not snake?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I know what that. What
Ay.
else?
So, nandito na yung mga parcel.
I didn't
Wait
open.
lang. Wait lang ba?
Mommy didn't open.
Okay, wait. So, nandito na yung mga in-order, guys. I think that's for Daddy. It's not for Christian. This is yours, oh. See?
This one.
Oh, wow. This is nice.
This one.
Oh, okay, I think that's Daddy's shoes. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh.
Oh, that's the.
Nice. Shoes ni Christian. Kasi ano na eh, maliit na yung mga shoes niya, guys. Oh.
Mommy, what is
Black.
it called?
I don't know, open. parang hindi naman.
Open.
Parang kay Daddy.
Open.
Ay, nice. Ah, this is Daddy. Shoes.
What is that?
Okay. What's inside that? I think that's Daddy clothes. Si Christian parang excited pa naman sa kanya lahat. Let mommy open, babe. Let mommy open. Ah, I think this is. What is? Ah, this is ano. Ah, this is the. I know this. Okay. This is Daddy thing.
What is that?
Yeah, that's a thing. Like this.
What's that? What?
It's Daddy thing.
What's that, mommy? What's that? Mommy, what's that? What's
Ice.
that one? Wait, this is the ice?
Yeah, it's ice, baby.
Ice
It's
is
really
here.
good.
See my hand.
I can fit this in.
See my hand.
Yeah,
See my
I can
hand.
fit this in.
I see. I see.
Or picnic. Do you want to?
I didn't care.
No, it's not for you.
What is that?
It's Daddy.
Okay, guys, if we're not dying, I should get that. Let me.
Let's ask do that only. We don't need that.
I didn't drink. I didn't go.
We eat the food now. We're going out soon. Ay, naku guys. That's ice, I think. That's ice. It's gonna be wet, the chair, King. So, dumating na yung mga ano, guys. Yung in-order ng tatay niya. No, it's a water. No, it's not special. It's not that special.
Mommy, touch it. Mommy, touch. Touch it. No water.
It's a water, ice, oh.
Oh.
It's a ice.
Oh.
It's yan, parang ano, ano sa ice.
Mommy.
You gonna eat that?
Mommy, no, that's it.
Christian, you cannot eat that, I'm telling you. Just throw it away. Ito na luto.
The hard, Mommy.
You see?
Yeah.
Ito luto yung ano.
See?
Yeah, it's hard. Let's throw that away.
We're gonna eat
You
this.
cannot headache, so put in your head then. Okay? Put in your head then. Gusto daw niya kasi ice ito eh.
What's this?
Freeze to reuse. Okay, freeze to reuse daw oh.
Huh?
Ano to kasi? Freeze to reuse. So, pwede pala siya. Gel box. Alam niyo ba guys, akala ko sa daddy ni King itong shoes na isa na malaki. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam ano, hindi ko alam, may parcel na dumating. Tapos, nag-chat siya ako, dumating na yung shoes at saka yung mga order. Sabi ko, dumating na. Sabi ko, yung sa'yo at saka kay King. Pero yung kay Christian, kay King, ano siya, medyo maliit siya, so kailangan ibalik. Tapos sabi niya, yung sa'yo, kumusta? Kasya ba? Sabi ko, sa akin, sa'yo yun eh, malaki yun eh. Sa akin pala ito guys, itong sapatos na ano niya, binili niya. So nagulat nga ako. Baba ko kay konti para makita niya. So, akin pala itong shoes. Parang ang laki. Ang laki ba? So anyway, let's see kung kasya sa akin ha. Kasi 7.5. Yuki size 5. Parang 4.5 ako sa Nike. Tingnan ko akong kasya. Oh yeah, kasya. Tapos lagyan siya ng ano. Lagyan siya ng medyas. Sa akin pala itong sapatos. Nagulat ako. Akala ko sa kanya. Ala, nakakatuwa. Hindi rin ako ng sapatos. Kasi yung puti ko, medyo ano na. Puti ko, medyo ano na ba? Madumi na. Ayun. May ano pala tayo guys, may pa-surpresa. May pa-surprise si Maninoy. Aha. Kasi maganda ito eh, pang dress ba? Comfortable. Ay, nice. I like it. Cute siya guys. Oh, kira niya. Kasya. Yan. Oh, kasya naman siya kasi pag medyas pa naman eh. Yeah, I like it. Sa akin pala ito, no? Nagulat ako. So, anyway. Thank you. This is size 5. Kasya. Malaki talaga ang ano, no? Parang ang design ng Nike. I-check na yun guys kasi bigay lang naman yan sa atin. So, kung tayo mapili, kasya naman siya, which is good. So, I liked it. Right. Yung aking guys, ibabalik yun kasi maliit sa kanya. Ano pala size itong puti ko? Ang puti ko size. Ay, size 5 na. Okay. So, mag-ano muna tayo ng cake. Mag-ano daw si Christian. Kain na siya ng cake, guys. Nag-expire na tong cake na to. Ano petsa ngayon? 1? Hindi pa yan.
Wait, what else?
30.
Oh, is it today?
Today is 30. Ay. So, today is 30. Oh, Christian, where's yours? Oh, eat here. I don't want you to eat because it's destroy the ay, dirty. Ano, kasi pag doon siya kakain sa sofa. Madumihan na naman ang sofa. Ako naman ang mahirapan sa paglinis. So, kailangan pag kumain dito. Dito, King. Dito. King ba? Dito, King. Christian! Your cake is here na. Would you like a cream? Lagay tayo ng cream. Kasi yung cake dito guys, nilalagyan nila ng cream ba? King, I need your help. Can you get me water please? Utusan natin siya guys kung mautusan ko na ba siya. Please water please. Is it Christian gonna give mommy water? Let's see guys. Let's see. We're gonna wait how? We're gonna count 1 to 10. 1. Let's see if kung meron siyang ano. Kung magbitbit siya ng tubig. Naglaba-plug ako today. Yan mga puti, mga nilabahan ko guys. Is it Christian go water? Oh, wow! Well done! Oh, very good. Oh! Ito na po. Diyos ko. Why are you throwing? Thank you, Christian. Thank you, love. Thank you. What about your cake? Your cake is there. Come on, eat your cake.
No.
Lalabas muna kami. Kasi may bilhin na kami doon sa sa shop, guys. So, lang. Mabilis lang naman kasi parang 5 minutes walk lang naman kami. Mabuti na rin maarawan si Christian sa labas. Medyo okay na rin siya, no? Sana hopefully talaga. Diretso yung niya. Pagaling ba? Para bukas, pwede na siya makapasok sa school. Kasi gusto nga talaga niya pumasok today, pero ako lang talaga nagpigil kasi naawa ako sa kanya ba kasi especially today, PE ngayon. Naku, daming activity sa school. So, mas mabuti talaga mapahinga siya kahit isang araw lang. Wait for me. Kasi meron dito corner shop. Dito banda. Kaya malapit lang talaga. Ang daming shop dito, guys. Siguro mga 4 malapit sa amin. So, guys, tumating na din yung in-order namin na electric fan. Kasi guys, ang init dito pag summer, ang init. Tapos mahika si King, kailangan talaga merong backup electric fan.
Wow! No way, what is cover?
Sa Amazon nung ito nabili.
What is that?
Para ito sa room ni King. Para meron siyang electric fan sa gabi kasi sa gabi talaga grabe ang init. At saka hindi namin mabuksan yung yung window niya.
Mommy, what to do that?
Kasi nga mag-isa sa room niya, so delikado ba.
Mommy, what to do?
I'm gonna fix it. I will try.
Mommy, what to do?
I will try to fix. Hindi ko lang alam kung kaya ko to King.
Open! Open! Open!
Okay. So ito siya.
Open that! Well,
Okay, so give me the paper. Because I need to know.
whoa.
Please.
What does that do? Cover?
So I need that to know the instruction kasi
Mommy,
ko alam
open
guys kung kaya ko ito ba.
me! Open! Open!
Kasi ito. Ito open.
What did you?
So what's that do?
I don't know.
So ito, ang hirap na ito eh. So ito, ipasok ito dito. Ayun ko ha, never pa ako nakapag ng electric fan.
That.
Ano ito? Where's the others?
I don't know.
Ang hirap naman ito. Ano ba dyan?
I don't know. Why you gotta get no shot?
Ito parang walang ano dyan. Ano po? Okay. Sige, papasok pa siya dito? Ano yan? Ano ito? Ito pala. Ay, hindi. Hindi talaga. Wait. Okay. Ano pala? Buksan pala ito. Careful. Careful. Ayan. Tapos, ano nangyari? After nun? Parang may kulang. Ay, ito pala. Diyos ko lang. Paghanap ako ng ano niya. Ito pala, oh. Sorry. Ito pala yung ano niya. Ito yung nahanap ko. Sabi ko, sana ba yung ano niya? Paano ko ito ma-install? Ito pala. So, if you want to be... wait. Ito marunong pa ito sa akin. Wala ko eh. And then,
What is it? Oh,
wait, be
this
careful.
shot. This shot. This shot. This shot. Wait, this is a fin.
Look, it's really
This
good.
is a fin. And they did all the candy. They made it all the...
Ito pala niya.
Oh!
Meron pala siyang ano.
There! What's that?
This is for screw, so it's not gonna move. Wag pa naman ako makit sa taas.
Ooh.
Doon sa ano naman.
Yeah.
Tapos na ano ba? Darin.
That one.
So, ito na, ito na. And then what's next?
I know.
Ito, gawa tayo ng paa. Pabigay mo sa akin yan, please. Yan.
Okay,
Yan, 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 yan.
wait.
Yan, yan, oh. Kailangan ko yan, Ting, oh.
Let's do it.
Christian, give me.
Let's do it. Good. Just straight away.
Tapos, ano yung paa niya?
Let's do that.
Ito pala.
Oh,
Struggling for you.
did that. Pew.
Saan yung papel, King?
Pew.
Christian, I cannot see. Christian. King, hanapin mo yung papel. Ah, ito pala.
Wait.
Guys, cannot see us, oh. The guys cannot see us. Dito ka. Hold this, hold this. Don't destroy, hold that.
No, no.
Be careful.
No, hubby.
Yeah, if you destroy that, you don't have electric fan anymore. That's why you need to be careful. Ay! Ayun siya! Dito guys, naano ko na siya. Naset ko na, oh. Good, good, good. Tapos ito, King, dito yan siya. Tama ba?
Oh, that.
That's it. And then, oh, ito na. Oh guys, nakatayo na siya, ha?
That's all.
Christian, give me that.
What is it?
Give me that.
Okay,
Please.
I want the cover.
Oh, give it to me.
On the hole. On the hole.
Now, I'm gonna remove this first. I'm gonna remove this first, of course. Ito na naman tayo. Kabubuhan na naman. Ano ba ito matanggal? Matanggal ba ito? Ang hirap na ito tanggalin, King. Uy.
There's a pee.
This one ba? Loosen. There you go. Hi, hello, good.
Okay.
Hindi makaantay eh, so kami na mag-assemble. So, nagamit na-testing na ba? Para ma-testing na natin, guys. So, guys, cannot see Christian. Guys, cannot see us.
What's that noise?
Tighten.
I got one. I got one.
Yeah?
See, I got one. I got one. Yeah.
Okay. Where's the thing here? Tama ba ito? Tama ba ginagawa ko? Diyos ko. Saan na ba yung papel? King, where's the paper? The paper pa de. I need that. I want to read. So it says, tanggalin ko na ito. At ang mahana naman. Magibida, ilisi. Loosen.
What's it going? Where?
Here, loosen the plastic. Give me that. The fan.
One. That one.
Thank you. So this one first, it says. Yan. Guys, can I see Christian?
Sorry.
Kasi para maano tayo ba? Para mabash tayo nila ni King. Para mabash tayo King ba? Kasi tayo marunong. Pakita mo sa kanila para mabash tayo. That we're not good. Ah! Ang panty ko na makitaan. Mabash tayo ba yun si Christine? Uy, di marunong. Yan yun guys, nabigyan yun ako May. O, diba? Takpan na natin King. Loosen.
They're old.
Tighten.
Oh, they're old. Ooh, this one is the cloud.
Okay, give me that.
Oh, copper?
Cover.
Wait, well, how did one? What's it called? What do you didn't put it. What did you put it?
Meron dito, meron.
Wait, I didn't put it.
Where's the put that? Hello, we forgot that. Where's that?
There.
Here. I don't know, here. So there's a screw here.
Huh?
Oh, may screw siya, oh.
What? Oh. Huh? Huh? Wait.
Okay, done. Cover.
Cover.
Guys, nasimba ko siya, guys. Huwag kayong mag-bash dyan. Nakayanan namin, nakayanan. Ano ba ito? Ito ba yan? Nakayanan namin ni Christian, guys. Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah. I think so.
I think so. Hi, Christian. Oh my God. Tingnan ito nga, no? Ako, ayan. I think it's right, King.
Yeah. What is our go?
Diba ganito?
Go there.
Diba ganito, King? Don't put your hand there, ha? Tapos, ano naman ito? Ito. Where is this going?
Oh.
Ay. Hindi siguro kailangan yan.
No, wait. Actually.
Hindi siguro kailangan ito. Ano ito kung design na ito?
Wait.
Hindi naman siya malagay. Screw. Screw daw siya, King. Yikes, tanggalin na naman.
Oh,
Screw, where's the other screw?
I know.
Way up.
I know, Mommy.
Way up.
Doesn't move. Can you cook me? What did it do? Two, one, two, three. I did it! Number.
So, yung screw, meron ako ito. Screw kanina.
Let's go.
Yeah, meron ako screw dito. Ikaw pala. Naku, wag na ito ilagay, King. Ang hirap. Wag na. Daddy na yan. Ang hirap eh. Wala akong tiyaga. Wala na akong tiyaga dyan sa... Ayun niya. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try, Christian. Right, try natin yung electric pan natin, guys. Saan ka ba i-try ito? Dito na lang sa kwarto ni King. O, ayan, guys, ha? Naano ko na siya, guys. Naayos na namin ni King ang electric fan. O, diba? May electric para tayo, Christian. Hooray! Yan.